Hello people, today we will be solving LeetCode daily question 9 and 7, that is find the town judge. And in this we are in a town and there are n people labeled from 1 to n, and there is a rumor that one of these people secretly is the town judge. And if the town judge is there, so what we have to do, then these are the three conditions that needs to be satisfied: that the town judge trusts nobody, and everybody except for the town judge trusts the town judge, and there is exactly one person that satisfies the properties 1 and 2. Okay, and in this we'll be given an array trust, where trust I represent that eighth people trust the bth people, a eighth person trust the bth person, sorry. Yeah, and if a trust relationship does not exist in the array, if a trust does not exist in trust array, then such a trust relationship does not exist. For example, if we are given the array 1 2, and so we can't say that true 2 1 is also true, and we have to return the label of the town judge. That is basically the number, like it's the label, like 1 2 are the labels, and if the town judge exists and can be identified, or we have to return -1 in the other case. For example, in this case we are having that the person 1 trusts the person 2. So what we can say is that person 2 will be our town judge because it is trusted by everybody. And for, let's say, this is just a town with one or two persons only, and the person number 1 trusts the person number 2, and person number, like the judge, that is, we are saying that 2 is the judge and it trusts no one else. Okay, so the answer is 2. Similarly, in this case, the answer is 3, because 3 is trusted by both the person, but 3 is not trusted by itself, and also 3 doesn't not trust anyone else. Okay, so let's, what we'll be checking is, basically we'll be having an array for in degree and out degree. So this is a graph question, so let's have array of in degree that is equal to, and let's initialize it with 0 of size n plus 1, because let's do it by one base indexing. Out underscore degree also n plus 1. Okay, so now why these true arrays or less? Because the town, what we'll be storing is that if a town judge is there, then it must be except it must be trusted by everyone except him. That is, the in degree of it should be n minus 1, and it should not be like the town judge should not trust anyone else, so the out degree of that should be 0. So now what we'll be doing, we'll be updating these two arrays, so that for people in trust, what we'll be doing is, in the in degree array, in degree of people 1, I'll be increasing it, and out degree of the person at the 0, let's do it person. Why people? Yeah, person. Yeah, person 0, and here we'll be increasing its out degree. And now what we'll be doing is, we'll be traveling in the both the arrays, that for let's do it by just one point, that is for I in range n. What we will be checking is that if in degree of I is n minus 1, and the out degree of I, okay, sorry, here it should be 1, because we have to start from 1, and n plus 1. Yeah, I don't think that it would have been another error otherwise, but let's just do it more precisely. And the out degree of I is equal to 0, so in that case we have to return I, else if these conditions are not satisfied, we have to return -1. Okay, so now let's just run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.